Why do 90% of crickets chirp only at night? Let's uncover the mystery. Crickets are nature's tiny musicians, and their chirps are nothing short of fascinating. But how do they make that iconic sound? It all comes down to their wings. That's right, crickets rub their wings together in a process called stridulation. Here's the cool part. One wing has a set of ridges, kind of like a comb, while the other wing acts like a scraper. When they rub these together, it produces that familiar chirping sound. And get this, each species of cricket has its own unique song. But why do they chirp? Mostly it's all about love. Male crickets chirp to attract females and to mark their territory. The louder and faster the chirp, the better their chances. So next time you hear that soothing nighttime symphony, you'll know it's not just noise. It's a cricket's love song. Now you know.